What's up guys, Caleb here. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make 400 wheel horsepower. So guys, this is kind of talking about my setup and how I made 400 wheel horsepower. And I just want to get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is forced induction. Obviously you're going to need a turbo kit. Now I was lucky enough to find a great deal on a turbo kit on Facebook Marketplace, which could be a hit or miss. Thankfully it was a hit for me. It was a Speed by Design G500X turbo kit. A seller was selling it for I think like $2,500, something like that, which is like a very good deal. So I went ahead and snagged that. Turbo kit already had 8,000 miles on it, which is kind of a lot, and I'm sure it was dogged on, but I got the turbo kit, got the turbo checked, all that good stuff, no play or anything, and so far so good. Turbo kits, there's a good bit on the market for the FRS 86 BRZ platform. The best thing you can do is just do some research and see which one meets your requirements. The next thing is a fuel pump. So this is to make 400 wheel horsepower. Okay, so yes, a lot of people are going to tell you you don't need a fuel pump, you don't need injectors, blah blah blah, to make the power you want. But if you want to make 400 wheel horsepower and you want to have wiggle room, you're going to need a fuel pump, you're going to need injectors, and all that good stuff, and I'm going to get into it. The fuel pump that I have is the AEM 320 LPH. This fuel pump's actually pretty cheap, like 120 bucks. So you're going to need that. Next is the injectors. I have the 1050X injectors. Could be a little overkill, but it ensures me that I have more room to make more power in the future if I want to, and yes, I do want to. So at the end of the day, you're getting what you want based on your needs. The next thing you'll need is a boost controller if you're doing turbo. If you're going to go the turbo route, boost controller that I have is through Delicious Tuning, and it's the 3-port electric boost controller solenoid. It just regulates boost. I can change boost based on my tune, based on which map I'm in. So if I'm in map 1, 7 psi, map 2, 10 psi, map 3, 12 psi. That's not how I have it set up, but that's how you can have it set up. The next thing is, and this is the biggest thing you need to make power, is a flex fuel kit. Flex fuel kit helps our cars run E85. Our cars cannot run E85 stock. E85 is what is going to make your car make power. For instance, when I'm on 93 gas, I make 280 wheel horsepower. When I'm on E85, I'm making 390 wheel horsepower. So just from gas alone, E85 increases my wheel horsepower over 100, which is just crazy. And you can feel it. It's a night and day difference. My car just runs better on E85. Like it just shifts harder. It just feels like a freaking race car, and it's crazy. So E85. The flex fuel kit that I have is through Delicious Tuning. There's other options out in the market, but Delicious Tuning is probably the best known flex fuel kit, and it's just all around a great kit. The most important thing is a good tune. So I'm tuned through Tailored Tuning. I'm located in Tennessee. He's located in Nashville, Tennessee. Only about 3-hour drive from me. So loaded the FRS up on a trailer and trailered the car to Tailored Tuning. I was able to get dyno tune, which is a big plus. If you or in a situation where you can get on a dyno and get tuned that way, hands down the easiest and best way to do it. So tune is definitely very important. Taylor Tuning, he killed it, and the car has been running perfect. I've seen a lot of people who have bad tunes, who have problems, and blame it on this and that, or blame it on people say, oh, your power level is ridiculous, blah blah blah. But no, I mean, 400 wheel horsepower on stock motor and stock trans is totally possible with a good tune, and I've had no problems. One thing that you may need to do is upgrade your coil packs. I was running OEM coil packs, but I was having problems with building boost and like the car stuttering and misfiring. Once I switched out to Delicious Tuning coil packs, my car has been great, no problems whatsoever. I build boost and boom. So yeah, guys, this is how I made 400 wheel horsepower. I hope it helps some of you guys. I will link most of this stuff in the description. Some of it's out of stock, but I'll at least link it, and you can, search the web yourself and hopefully find it. Please subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Like the video, and peace out, guys.